Welcome back. Here's your little bit of good news. Go fill up. Go fill up the tank. Do it now before things change. Mike Eppel, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you. How are you? Yes.
I'm doing all right. I took your words, by the way. I was so close to filling up, and I went, oh, what would Mike do? Right, he told me. I remember.
Saved you at least $2.
Yeah, hey, I'll take it. I will take that.
That's where we are right now when we do see the price for gasoline, Melanie, coming down here in the GTA from, to a still elevated $1.69 per liter. And it is going to reportedly drop by another 1 cent per liter at midnight tonight. But that might just be the near-term low, because I am seeing this morning the price for oil back up by 2.5% in the early trade. Now, look, the energy trade is exceptionally volatile right now. Past couple of days, the price for oil came down quite dramatically, down about 6%. The reports yesterday about Russia de-escalating the war in Ukraine had a ripple effect through the energy and equity markets. This morning, a little bit of caution coming out of the U.S. saying, yeah, they're not really seeing too much of a de-escalation as of yet. So the energy market is adjusting again. So, maybe just now is the time to fill it up if you need it, because we might not see too many reductions over the remainder of this week.
Okay, good call. Let's talk about this. I feel like every day there's an announcement coming from our province. I mean, it's no surprise. We're in election
What's
period.
happening coming up in a couple?
Yeah, exactly. But let's talk about it. Real estate is a big one. It's top of mind for a lot of people. And how do we combat what's happening right now? It's just a wild market.
Yeah, there's a few things actually going on that might just slow down the rapid price appreciation in the market. I don't know if prices necessarily will fall or anything, but the Ford government is increasing the speculation tax for foreign investors in the market from 15% to 20%, and it's now province-wide as opposed to just targeting the Greater Toronto area. This would, at best guess, hit or affect, I think, new construction, where you see a single buyer come in and buy up a whole bunch of properties that are under construction, not so much the overall resale market. Nevertheless, we're going to be hearing in the upcoming federal budget, maybe something from Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland on April the 7th for the housing market, maybe more changes to, who knows, speculative taxation or what have you on the housing market. And then, look, don't discount the fact that mortgage rates are going up, and they're going to continue to climb. And I think that's going to have longer term, of course, the larger effect on the housing market. And, of course, the supply-demand metrics are always subject to change.
Mike, let's talk Meta and how Toronto fits into this puzzle, this metaverse puzzle. Yeah,
the growing tech hub that Toronto is becoming as Meta, Facebook, and Instagram, they're looking at a major Canadian expansion for the workforce, not just in Toronto, but countrywide, with this focus on the metaverse. Yes, it's going to be interesting to see if we're all of a sudden digitized characters at some point, probably. But they're hiring 2,500 people, which is quite significant, taking advantage of the Canadian tech space in our universities and colleges. Look, we've got a growing workforce and a lot of people who are very skilled at all this. So Meta expanding its Canadian offices. I'm not sure exactly which building they're putting it in downtown, but nevertheless, some of these jobs will be online and working from home. That's also the new dynamic in the market.
Yeah, and that makes sense. Mike, as always, a pleasure. Tomorrow it's Thursday. We are so close to the weekend. You know it. All right, taking a break here on Breakfast Television. Thank you so much.